40k in 40 seconds, this was a request, so let's do the hot versus the rot. Yep, Dante and Typhus. Thanks in-games, let's roll that initiative. And looks like Dante is going first, so 8 attacks, hitting on 2s, wounding on 3s, lethal hits, so those 6s are jumping on and through, and 4+ invuln for Typhus. That is just enough to take him out, but let's see what that slapback would be like. So we have 5 attacks, hitting on 2s, wounding on 2s, and lethal hits. And these 6s are everywhere tonight, 4+ invuln, and that's enough to take out Dante as well. So between the hot and the rot, you never know what you're going to get.